let's begin our video. In the starting, we are doing the continuation of the video which we have done before. That is the part 1 of 3 shortcut in one video series. So let's check another shortcut method for finding the squares. Let's take an example, that is 84 square. With the method I have taught you before, you know we will find this answer so quickly by this. I hope you remember this method and you know this method. If you don't know this method, refer my third video. Okay, so let's do our new shortcut. That is this method is almost same as the before this method. That is, instead of writing just below, we want to write the squares of numbers some far away. That is not such a big difference. Let's take another distance to write a 2-digit number and write the number here. Here we want to write the multiplying value here. So write the multiplied value here, that is 64. Now we start our method. First of all, write the n number simply. Then add these two numbers, that we will get 5. Then these two numbers, we will get 10. So we will get 7056. Is it the same answer we have got before? Yes. Let's take another example. So let's check with 95 square. So what we will do? Simply write the squares of numbers, that is 81, 25. Multiply these numbers, 9 into 5 into 2. So we will get the answer as 90. Write it here. Simply write 5 here. Add these two numbers, we will get 2. These two numbers will get 10. It's 1 here. 9025. Isn't it very easy? I know it is. To master this method, work out these problems. If you work out this type of problems, you will be master of this method. So let's go into our second shortcut method. So let's begin our second shortcut. Can you do this question in just 4 seconds? Yes, you can if you are in this channel. The method is simple. Just multiply this by 2 and put the answer. Don't consider the denominator. Just multiply these two numbers. That is, we will get the answer as 474. If the denominator is 5, just put a point after the unit place. That is, the answer will be 47.4. Let's check another question. Take 437 divided by 5. As our method, multiply by 2. The answer of this multiplication will be 874. Since our denominator is 5, just put a point after the unit place, so that our answer is 87.4. Let's check another big question, that is 3624 divided by 5. As our method, multiply it by 2. We'll get the answer as 7. Since our denominator is 5, put a point after the unit place. So our answer is 724.8. Let's check it out. Our question is 3624 divided by 5. Look at the answer. 724.8. Is this the same answer we got using our shortcut method? Yes, we have solved this question in just 5 seconds. Let's check out another type of division technique. In this question, we have the denominator as 25. What will we do? Instead of multiplying by 2, multiply it by 4. We will get the answer as yes, 1728. In above, we just have 5. So we put a point after the unit place. Here we have 25. So put a point after 2 places, that is 17.28. Let's check out another question. That is 3621 divided by 25. As our method, we will get the answer as since our denominator is 25, we will put a point after two places, that is 144.84. Let's check it out. Our question is 3621 divided by 25. The answer we have got is 144.84. It is the same as we got using this shortcut method. So let's continue. This time we will take problems which have 125 as denominator. So in this method we will multiply it by 8. Then we will get the answer, that is 750 into 8, that is 6000. We know since our denominator is 125, we want to take 3 places, that is 1, 2, 3. So our answer will be 6. Let's take another question. 1275 divided by 125. Do it by our method, that is multiply it by 8. 1275 multiplied by 8 gives us that is, since our denominator is 125, take 3 points, that is our answer will be 10.200. Let's take another big question, that is 24315 divided by 125. I know if this question have came in your question paper, you will find it very difficult. You can solve it, but it will take minutes. But by this method, it will take just seconds. So do it. So as a method, take 3 points. We will get 194.520. As usual, just check it out. 24,315 divided by 125. We will get it as 194.52 as we got in our shortcut method. So I hope you like this method. So be master in this method by practicing these questions. So let's move on to our third and final shortcut method. So let's start our last shortcut method. Can you do this question in just 4 seconds? Yes, you can do. It is just a matter of time. This method will be useful for all students who have studied multiplication. For all students. That is, this method will be useful for students from standard 7 to standard 12, every student will be benefited. So the method is this. I know you didn't understand anything. Let's check it by doing. This is called multiplication line. So do it here. Multiply this. 1 into 4, 4. This is cross multiplication. Then cross multiply it. That is 8 plus 2. Don't forget to add this. We will get 10. We only want one place. So we put 0 here and 1 here. At last we have another multiplication line. Just multiply it. That is 4. We have 1 here. That is 5, not 4. The answer will be 5, not 4. Let's take another question. That is 44 into 74. Multiply these two as multiplication line says. That is 16. Put only 1 point. We have 1 here. Multiply it. That is 4 into 4, 16 plus 1 here. That is 17 plus 7 into 4, 28. We have 45. Put that 5 here and remaining 4 back to here. We know 7 into 4, 28 plus 4, which is 32. We got the answer as 3256. Let's check it out. 44 into 74. We have got the answer as 3256. So this is our super method for multiplication. Let's take another question. 12 into 15. Line multiplication, that is 10. Put the remaining 1 here. Multiply cross multiplication. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1 into 2, 2. We'll get it as 8. Put 8 here. 1 into 1, that is 1. 180. This is our third question. So second question. So this is our final shortcut method in this video.